Guys, I think I found a dupe for PinPoint concealer. It's going to be something really unexpected. Hi everyone, my name is Isa and this is Moody Eye Makeup channel. If you haven't subscribed, then please do so, and now let's start. So you probably all seen the drama around this product. It's a phenomenal product. I really like it. I really do. But the price, it's quite high. Some would say outrageously high. It's a product that I didn't know I need in my makeup bag, but that's me personally because I'm a makeup artist. I just love makeup. I'm a bit extra with my makeup, and this is something that, yeah, I really like. But the price is really up there, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna repurchase it. I'm just saying. If the price would be lower, I would definitely. So I was super surprised when I tried, just for the sake of it, the Inglot eye pencil. If you don't know Inglot, this is a Polish professional makeup brand that was actually hyped a lot on YouTube back then, like the early days of makeup community on YouTube. Now my lovely subscriber sent quite a lot of makeup and beauty stuff to me just to try, and she sent quite a lot of products from Inglot as well, and I've applied it in the waterline because I prefer these nudish eye pencils to the white one or like lavender type of shade. I think it looks more natural, but I just when I applied it, I saw how creamy it is. It's so creamy. And because I'm fair, I tried it on my face and it worked. Very similar to the one from Lisa Eldridge. This one, it's a little bit more waxy. But here is the comparison. I don't want to use it too much. So the Inglot, it's a little bit more yellowish. And I'm gonna show you how they perform on the face. I just think that the PinPoint concealer is going to last you longer because it's waterproof. It's made to last for a long time. This one, it's like a normal coil pencil, so you need to set it with a setting powder. That's the difference. But yeah, I'm not talking here about John Rhodes concealer sticks or pencils, the big ones. I think this is actually very similar. I'm also gonna place the pricing here so you can see the difference, also with how much you get in which. This is just for those who really cannot afford the PinPoint concealer. I'm gonna show you the PinPoint concealer first. So I like to use it for defining my brows a little bit more, to highlight this part. I also like to cover here some imperfections that I have, like a vein. I have a big red vein here, which actually foundation already covered some. I'm just gonna smudge this one with my finger and this one with a brush, and I'm not sure how much you can actually see because this is really detailed work. Also, I think this product is really nice to create here a sharper edge. You can check out my original video where I went really in depth with the product, and it's 33 euros. I made a mistake in that video. It's not 31, it's 33. I was in a rush that day, so. And now I also love to use it right here. Now it's not going to be such a big difference because I didn't think before, and I've already applied a tiny bit of concealer there. But especially if you have darker lip liner or lipstick, this is great to do. Now let's see the comparison. How creamy is this? This is so easy to apply. I'm gonna use it a bit here as well. I'm a bit lucky and I'm knocking the wood. I don't have like blemishes and stuff, so. And then to cover those, Even though this is not so waxy at first, it sets. Can you see this? It's not moving at all. They're both not moving. This is so close. This as a dupe, it's going to only work for people with fair complexion. Lisa released this PinPoint concealer in so many different shades, so you can really find the match. This one is probably only one. So I know, like for me, this is the perfect dupe, really. And I'm probably not gonna even use it for my waterline anymore. Let's try it on the nose as well. This is such an unexpected dupe. I'm so giddy about it because at least for me it works as a dupe. I'm sorry that it's not working for everyone, but maybe if you have some kind of other nudish pencil from some other brand, then you can check out if it works on your complexion. If you already have it in your makeup collection, you can try it. I'm so pumped about that. So I hope I helped you. I'm sorry if your darker complexion in this is not working for you. I'm gonna check if I can find something similar or if they have some other shades as well, but yeah, I'm really loving it.